Welcome back to the channel. You often do the task which is recurring. That means every Monday you do something, or every morning you're doing something. And Notion did not allow it to create those tasks by itself. You had to manually create it before. But now Notion is allowing it to create those tasks, recurrent tasks by itself. How to do this one? I'll show you right now. So let's get started.
Yeah.
Sure.
Make it happen.
Thank you.
So let's give a big hand to these student leaders to bring the training to you. Why don't you give them a big hand to them?
So the first thing first, I'm going to first part of the video, I will show you how actually create a recurrent task. And the second part of the video, I will also show you actually how you can actively filter those tasks as well for your daily tracking as well. So now, let's say, normally when you are in a database, basically you can come in and basically write down, let's say, morning routine, right? You can write it down, but this is just a one task. For a recurring task, you want this task to be created by itself. So that means if you cannot do this one in just in a database level by just inputting more routine, so we're gonna do it in a different way, but not difficult. Stay with me. So first of all, I'm gonna delete this one because morning routine I don't need it. So what I'm doing is that I'm gonna create actually a template. So I'm gonna write it down, click here, and you can see this one, there's a new template into it. So let's say I'm gonna name this one to morning routine. I get out. So now we can go, I'm gonna come back to this little arrow, I clicked it out, and you can see morning routine, and you can see morning routine here, and click the three dots, and here you go, there is a repeat option over there. You can see I'm gonna click that one, and now there's a multiple option. I can do it every day. It will be every day, it will be start creating that one too. Another one is every week, or every month, and every year. It will be keep creating a new task of this template automatically to your view of the database. So let's check this one first about every day. I personally love the every week options. So let's get started this one with every week. So I'm gonna click the every week, and it gives you a very good thing. How many 2 times? Every 2 weeks. So what will be the recurrent rate? Every 2 weeks, every 3 weeks, every 1 week. So let's say every 1 week, and then you can select a particular time at 7, and let's say Tuesday and Friday, you want to have this task to be automatically created. And then you can also select your time zone, which time you want to create that automatic task as well. And then exactly what time you want. Like an example, I prefer 9 a.m. or I prefer actually 7 a.m. because so when I get into the computer, I can be seeing that one too. And then basically it will be automatically recovering the task itself. So now basically I'm gonna press the save, and now it's done. So every week, so now you can see this one, you can click by, and there is an arrow, double arrow key as well to showing you that this task is recurrently creating by itself. And you click this one, and then you can as well, you can always click and you can change the settings on the way as well too. You can even change the start day. When is the first start day of the creating of the start? You can just today, or you can do a specific days, let's say next week. You could do that as well too, and then you can just save. And then it's everything this morning routine task will be created inside of your database. So now, as you are already getting all the tasks created inside of you, so you can actually create a easy management is about, you can come, if you see all the tasks is here, you can just come by and you can just basically duplicate a new view, and you can write down as a today. And now the today is there, right? You can put it on the front, and you can right click this one, and then you have all of it. So what you could do is about, you can click this one and you can filter all the tasks to actually is created today. So now all the today tasks or daily task, and including that task will be automatically created, and it will be popping up into this view of today. So you will be able to easily manage those tasks. So that's basically it. Now here's the point. Now you think about, oh, can I create more? Yes, you can create up to any numbers of tasks you can for create. Like an example, let's create another one. So I'm coming out, new tickets is about gratitude of the day. So normally in the evening around 9 or 10, after 10 p.m. normally I spend like few minutes of time about sharing how grateful I am about the day, what the great thing is done. So I just created the template first. So now I'm going to creating the next one. So I'm going to come by, I'm going to create the repeat option. I'm going to select every day, so every 1 day, and then I want to choose it to get it after 9 p.m. not right now. I want to see it in late nights. So I will be able to see, so before I go to bed I can spend 5 minutes to gratitude of my day, and then all I need to do, press save. So these things you can always turn it on, and it will keep going on until it until you never stop it. And if you want to stop it, you can come by and you can just click this one and you basically turn it off. So that means from the day it will not be creating anymore. So that's the way you can easily create a automatic recurring task in Notions, and you can select a particular property, and you can also step it as well too. If you want to get more tips about how to getting things done, more productivity, how I manage my time, go ahead and check this video right now, and I will see you there. And don't forget to subscribe. See you there in the video. Click now.